All right, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This week's a little something different. We are at a campground, family camping, wife, kid, dog, Touareg, fully loaded with everything. We brought the bikes, so that kind of kills the cargo thing I have here normally. Got the boxes, we get fully loaded, unloaded here, so get out of the rain. It's starting to rain a little bit.
Wait,
fully loaded. Every square inch of the little Touareg, and the rigged is holding, I don't even want to guess how many pounds, but it's great. I left this empty because we have water here. Anyways, gonna get set up and we'll show you at the end. Okay, that was quite a chore, but we're all set up. I've broke out the full winter setup. This is kind of what we set up when we do, like, you know, 10-15 degree snow camping. It's like 50 degrees windy, but the rain is coming in and not going to leave for basically the whole time we're here. Of course, first big fall storm, and it happened to be the weekend we were booked camping. So this weekend, my wife's parents are coming in their big RV, and then her aunt and uncle, two sets of aunts and uncles in their RV. So it's kind of a big family party, if you will, family camping party. Gorgeous though. You can see the Strait of Juan de Fuca behind me. Really nice little campground. We actually rode up here in a few videos ago when we drove through the bunkers. So I said I wanted to camp here instead of down at the beach where we normally camp. Give it a shot. More foresty. So yeah, bikes are under here, covered up. Full gigantic room basically is created. We got my son chilling up in the iCamper.
what's up?
There he is. That's Jack. So welcome to the crib here. Driving this thing was full, and obviously you can see how much crap we have in here. My son's actually going to sleep with the grandparents in the RV, so we didn't bring the ground tent. Otherwise I would have brought that. Probably took off the iCamper and had the entire roof for storage, but hindsight's 2020. Anyways, got the cozy little cabin under here. My dog is shivering for some reason. That's Callie. I don't think you've seen my wife for a few videos.
Cheers.
So yeah, nothing crazy. We'll get the lights set up and everything for night. We'll probably mostly be hanging out at the RVs, the Taj Mahals, with the heaters and all that good stuff. So yeah, we'll catch you later. So I realized I forgot to tell what gear we're using. My bad. So got the Helinox take this when I need room. It actually kind of lives in the car all the times. And I picked up a couple of these King Camp knockoffs. Walmart, like 50% off. I think they're like 25 bucks. Fantastic. We've got the Ignite fire can. Local company, PNW out of Bainbridge. I just did a little modification on it so it can get real freaky if we wanted to. Tailgate tire table comes in handy. I've got the old school Vivor heater, but I just noticed the remote is missing, so that could be a problem. Hopefully it's in the car. A couple years ago, like 3 years ago, I picked up these Expedition 134 boxes. I had these on the roof. They're waterproof. Australian company, super sturdy, latches. You can stand on them. I got another one with random camp gear in it. Same fridge, food box. Yeah, and then I've got my bike rack. Folds up nice when you're not using it. Holds up to, I think, 300 pounds. My bike by itself is over 80. Wife's e-bike, I think it's like 60, and my kid's bike, and it held perfectly. So yeah, and then the awning is Overland Pros and a wall kit. It's Overland Pros 180. I've had it, I don't know, 2 or 3 years now. It's great, love it. And that's the gear we're using. Well, good morning. We're on a lovely bike ride with my bride. And yeah, kind of at the favorite spot here. We were here a few videos ago with the bunker. It's pretty cool. And then we're right above Salt Creek surf spot. There's a couple boys out there getting there right now. My favorite A-frame house. Perfect, picturesque, PNW perfection. Yeah, anyways, we're gonna enjoy the view and rip the bikes around while it's not raining. The sun came out this morning, surprised us. We expected rain all day, so enjoying it. didn't film much yesterday because it basically dumped rain for 15-16 hours straight. I don't know how many inches, but it was miserable. But that's the in-laws coach there, so we pretty much just hung out inside and carved pumpkins and had dinner. Pretty miserable out. So got all packed up this morning and drove over here. Wife and kid actually slept in the coach last night. So anyways, we are just going to hang out, have some breakfast, and got a ferry to catch later this afternoon. So we're gonna head into Port Townsend and tourist it up a little bit, have some lunch and hang out. Hopefully it doesn't rain too much for the rest of the day. I think we got the most of it out of the way now. Yeah, we'll see you over there. Well, we made it back home. We were able to catch an earlier ferry, which was nice. Super windy. Got home, all my Halloween decorations are, well, some of them are just gone, and then some of them are down the street. But trying to air everything out because everything got wet from 15-17 hours worth of rain. So this is kind of the aftermath. Pull it in the garage. Usually I can do this in the front yard, but like I said, the wind's pretty epic and it's shooting rain once in a while. On cue. Anyways, so I came up with this. I can get the tent about halfway open, keep the air in. Got the awning drying out. Got the awning walls drying out. Got the mattress drying out. Yeah, the way my wife had it zipped, she had both zippers at the bottom meeting, and that let water come in. So the hole underneath of my mattress was wet last night. Yeah, so anyways, very wet trip. Sorry I didn't get a lot of footage. Hopefully this comes together for at least a short little video, but it's also the reality of living and camping in the Pacific Northwest, especially headed over to the peninsula. It's a reason why most of our trips that are not, campground or reservation, in the winter we wait for the weather and we determine if we're gonna go east side, west side, wherever, based on the weather. Obviously can't do that when you're depending on 3 other people with RVs as well, like we had with her family. So anyways, made the best out of it, and yeah, so you can see at least some kind of the reality of the gear. Everything stays in nice and dry with these on the roof though. So the Expedition 134 boxes came in clutch. Bike rack held up good with both e-bikes and my son's bike. That was kind of a test this week as well. So yeah, I think I'll do it differently next time. Probably not take the bikes, especially if it's gonna rain. They did come in handy. We rode them, all around the campground from our spot to their spots. But yeah, anyways. So thanks for watching, and like and subscribe. I promise I'll have more adventure videos soon. I have shoulder surgery coming up next month, so I'm gonna try to get another trip out before I get shut down for a month or so and can't camp. Yeah, anyways, come on back and we will see you on the trails again soon. Thanks.